welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well, and a happy Mother's Day to each and every one of you mothers in here, out there, everywhere. Happy Mother's Day, guys. Today is Sunday and the weather is so pretty out here. We are going to make chicken breast stir fry. These are ingredients we're going to use for our recipe. Very easy recipe that we can't go wrong on Sunday. Yeah, all my ingredients here are being washed, so I'm going to go ahead and then work on it. And yeah, we start. I'll first go ahead with my chicken. I'll slice them into bite size. Okay, yeah, they are bite size. I'll then move them, transfer them to another plate. And then go ahead with my onion. I'm using full onion. I love my onion, guys. Then take this off. You can separate them. You can also just take it to fry and it will separate itself. So I'm not going to do too much on it. Then I take to fry, it will just separate itself. So yeah, I'll transfer this one as well. And then the next is our bell pepper. So I'm using all the colors, the red, yellow, and the green. Bell pepper. This is easy way of, taking that. So you just push it inside and then it comes off very easy, instead of you using knife to cut it into two. You push it inside and that's it, it comes off. So I'll go ahead and slice it. This is how I'm slicing it. This. So I'm going to transfer that to another plate. And yeah, so with our small plum tomatoes, this is small plum tomatoes which I'm using. I'll just use it just like that. I'm not going to slice it. So I have my chicken here, diced chicken. I'm going to use a bit of malt vinegar, set up. Sorry. While this mixed, I'll set this aside for 15 minutes for it to marinate before I take. So in the pot here, I will add my oil. I'm using olive oil, a bit of it, and then on a low heat, and add my chicken. I will then stir fry. Leave it to fry and give it a nice turn. So Lovelies is ready to transfer it to another bowl. So Lovelies, in the same pot, I'll go ahead and add a bit of oil. I'll add my onions. Also, I forgot to show you guys my spring onion and pepper, which I'm adding also. And give it a gentle stir. Make sure it's on a low medium heat. Whilst it's a bit brown, I will add my bell pepper and give it a nice gentle stir. I'll go ahead and add my Beansprouts and then give it a stir. Mix them all together. Oh my. I'll then go ahead and add my tomato. That's the small plum tomato. Give it a nice gentle stir once again. So Lovelies, here I will add a bit of honey and also soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, and stir it together once more. Now next is to add my chicken and stir. Oh my, Lovelies, the smell alone, oh my. It's gonna taste yummy. I haven't added any salt because of the dark soy sauce, so I'm not adding any salt. So Lovelies, our chicken stir fry is ready and about to consume. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, please like if you are watching this video, like for a sister, and comments are welcome. Happy Mother's Day to my lovely beautiful moms here. You can eat this with rice, you know, plain rice, brown rice, any food of your choice, yes. But I'm gonna consume this with bread, yeah, or you can eat it alone as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next. I love you all, but always remember, God loves you more.